Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean a lint filter. This is from my clothes dryer. This lint filter gets dirty with every cycle. It traps all the lint from the clothes. So the usual way to clean this is just to use your hand and start grabbing this, but sometimes it doesn't stick as well and it kind of breaks up as you pull it. So I found out that there is a better way to do this is by wetting. So if you would wet this but not completely soak it or make it flood or anything like that. So just wet it. The water will help it to clump up. So if you have very little, like for example on this corner right here, it's not sometimes thick enough for you to make it clump up and it leaves a lot of residue. This is the best way to do it is to get some water. And I have this sprinkle system, well, spray system I should say. And if you would just turn the water pressure to the lowest level and just quickly go through it really quickly, just wet it, but not don't do it too much where it becomes, like I said, it becomes a flooding situation. So once you do that, you can actually just easily pick it up. And you don't want this to go down to your drain, so you would need to pick up this particular part using your hand, and then you can wash the rest again using the sprayer. So once you take out all this gunk of lint and then clean up some more along the edges. Okay, like that. All right, now watch this. You can really get this cleaner that you have ever seen before, because you're going to spray it from this side. Okay. So this is going to get it really clean. There you go. So this is the cleanest as ever gonna get, and you can just bang on it a little bit to get the water out of it. And this is a little bit wet, but you can actually still put this directly to your dryer and it'll just dry up all this water as well. I usually would pick up these lint materials as much as I can so it doesn't go into the drain, but at this kind of quantity it's actually okay for it to just go into the drain a little bit. It won't clog it, but I would pick up the big pieces and just to make sure I do not clog my drain. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of useful tips, DIY content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.